Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, Dope Theft fam? It's your boy Dope Theft here with another video. And today, guys, I'm gonna be introducing to you guys the new project truck slash not so new, but it's the Tahoe, the daily, the 4-door. It's gonna be the new project, guys. So I really haven't touched it since I bought it. It's just my daily, you know, so I don't have to, while my truck was down at the shop for the longest. But I want to start doing stuff to it, guys. The truck's back, so I can start driving the truck now, so I can start working on this. What I'm thinking about doing, it is a 2-wheel drive, but I want to lift it a little bit, maybe like a 3-inch lift, nothing too crazy. I want to change out the grill, go with like a Sierra grill with one of the Chevy Mexican Cheyenne emblems in the middle, new headlights. Maybe we'll do one of those lifts with the fog lights. I did pick up just new rims for it today. These are some 20s, but I don't like these. I'm gonna get rid of these. Let's see. They're over here on this side. Boom, I picked up these prime wheels for Lolo. They're 15-inch rims, but I want to slap them some 33s just to get that meaty tire. Because like I said, I do want to lift it, even though it's a 2-wheel drive. I want to lift it because I take this off-roading, not crazy off-roading, but like when I go shooting out in the desert, obviously I can take the low truck. I've done it before, but it's always better just to take a lifted car or truck. But yeah, so this is gonna be the off-road truck. But yeah, just kind of want to let you guys know what I'm planning on doing to it. Like I said, nothing too crazy. Maybe get rid of the side moldings or paint them or do something because the chrome's peeling on them. If I do lift it, maybe I'll go with some tow mirrors. I don't know yet. I want to get rid of all this chrome trim. Maybe get rid of the little sun things on the windows. But I think the thing I'm gonna focus more on right now is the front end. Like I said, new grille, headlights. I don't know if I want to get a new front bumper. Since I've had it, it's always had this little gap right here. As you can see, it doesn't have it on this side. So I don't know if that's something I can fix by unbolting the brackets on the inside and pushing it or something. Hopefully it's an easy fix. But yeah, the interior, pretty clean interior, guys. Nothing too crazy. Full electric. It's got that 60/40 with the center console. Well, not center console, but like third seat in the middle with the foldable console. Back row, trunk. But yeah, also got some new LEDs for the fog lights on the truck. I'm gonna slap those on maybe today. But yeah, that's the goal for this Tahoe build. Right now I just got home from work. I'm gonna take a shower, get ready. Bulls is having their first, I guess you can say, parking show being hosted by Bulls down here in Scottsdale. So I'll probably be recording some of that, see how it turns out. Hopefully a lot of people show up. But yeah, I'll catch you guys back later. Alright guys, I'm back. So found a couple more stuff that I bought that I'm gonna do to the truck. So if you guys remember, I showed you guys I had this TBSS intake. So I'm gonna be installing this on the truck. And I recently purchased the throttle body for it. This is a 92mm throttle body. It is cable driven because my motor is like an O2, I believe. So finally got this. I still gotta buy the injectors for it and the Corvette fuel filter. So that's gonna be some stuff that I'm gonna be ordering. Here's another look at the wheels. Center call caps. Okay, so here are the LEDs, guys. They're from Steel Headlight. Force LEDs. They're each stands for the fog lights. I believe they're like 600K white. So we're gonna take these with us. I think I might install these right now or at the car wash. Gotta go wash my truck real quick. Give it a quick rinse down so it's not dusty. Alright guys, so we just pulled up. Chance, say what's up?
What's up?
As you can tell, it's empty as fuck right now, but the meet's not till 7. It's barely like 6:15. Pulled up early just to get this hoe clean and detailed. So for Plastic Dip, if you guys didn't know, they have this specific detailing spray called Dip Coat. This makes it so it protects the film, makes it smoother and more water repellent, and it helps it so it doesn't fade as quick. So that's what I just sprayed all over the truck. I didn't really show you guys that because it's boring. Be careful. So I'm gonna try to put the fog lights on. See how bright these are. So the reason I got these was, I think one of them is going out and then they're not even matching fog lights right now. One's like an LED bulb and one's like one like this. So I'm gonna get them matching. Hopefully they turn on, because I know when I was doing the whole button switch thing, the cables were kind of loose, so hopefully it turns on. But yeah, let's get these plugged in and then we'll see if they turn on.
Much later.
What up, Dalton fam? So it's gonna be a continuation of the last video I was doing. The parking show was a successful turnaround. For a 2-day notice, it wasn't too bad. A lot of people pulled up. Shout out for 30 Racing and Bologna Media for doing the collab with us. SA Mesa pulled up. Valley Life Trucks pulled up. So-called Arizona pulled up. That's an all-girls truck club. Shout out to them. But yeah, a lot of people pulled up, a lot of solo riders, you know. But yeah, as I was telling you guys, I was gonna install these LED lights for my fogs. The wiring for the button, for some reason, I think it's disconnected somewhere down here. Probably when I started switching all this interior, it might have got disconnected or something. So I'm gonna check it out, reorganize the wiring, and install these, get them working. Because I really want these on, because I like having my LEDs on the fog lights, because it just makes the whole front end look a little bit like cleaner, I guess, having all the lights shining bright. But yeah, let's go ahead and take this panel off. Might have to take this off too, just so it doesn't scratch anything. But yeah, let's go ahead and start taking this stuff off and hopefully getting these fog lights to work. Also guys, I traded my third brake light. It was originally an all red one, and obviously it didn't match my taillights, because my taillights are that blacked out housing with the clear lens, so that red didn't really match with the taillights. But my homie had a red one, or wanted a red one, so we swapped, and now it's even better. And then I am going to be picking up a new fuel cell cap. On these fuel cells, they come with this stock one where you pop this open and then you twist it to open, and then you gotta pop this whole thing open, and then same thing to close. And I've been using it ever since I got the truck back, and to be honest, I don't like it. It's too much of a hassle. Sometimes this little gasket, it's hard to push in, and it just takes up too much time. So I picked up this new billet aluminum one. It just has a screw-on cap. It's gonna be so much better. Also, like I told you guys, I haven't touched the bed because I do want to do like a custom raised flooring, like maybe like up to here to cover the fuel cell, and then cover up the air suspension system, but do like a plexiglass window so you can still see the setup. That's why I haven't done anything, like no bed liner or anything. But I was thinking, just for now, what if I just like clean it up real quick and then do like a spray bed liner, all black, just so it looks somewhat uniform and clean, just for the time being, because I'm not gonna do the raised flooring for a little bit longer. But yeah, I was thinking about doing that. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Should I just wait, or should I at least clean it up a bit and do the spray can bed liner? Right now the truck's all the way raised up. We're gonna start working on this wiring.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so I got them installed. I figured out what the issue was. It wasn't nothing to do with the wiring, even though I had to fix that wiring inside anyways, but I fixed it. Installed them. I'll show you guys a night view, because during the daylight obviously they turn on, but you won't see the actual brightness to them. So at nighttime I'll show you guys how that looks like. So it ended up being the relay. It was a little bit dirty, so I disconnected it, kind of cleaned it out, connected it, and they turned on. So that's the good part. Nothing too bad there. So that should be good. Well, that's it for today, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Stuff.
Perfect.